Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm doing unboxing of Lisa Eldridge products. This is just simply one of my absolutely favorite videos to film because it's always a pleasure, to be honest with you, to buy Lisa products because she knows what she does, and first of all, she's a creative soul, which is probably my favorite thing about her. So here are my products, and just to be straightforward, I didn't buy in this launch. I didn't buy this makeup bag. I bought it last year when I bought Velvet Dragon, Go Lightly lip gloss and Velvet Carnival. I got it for free because I bought three products, but now I can happily say that this is makeup bag where I have full face of Lisa Eldridge. I have everything from her seamless skin collection except blushes. I didn't buy blushes, unfortunately. But this time I bought her highlighter. This is Elevated Glow highlighter. Her packaging, it doesn't want to focus, of course. Her packaging is just out of this world every time. It's so elegant. It is so Lisa. And also another thing that I like about her is that you can see her in every single product. You can see that she created that she was involved in whole process from the beginning to end. So I bought Elevated Glow in the shade Crystal Nebula. As you can see, I'm quite fair, not the fairest, but I'm fair, so I thought this would be the best one. And it's in the glass packaging, which I love. I love glass packaging. I love when it is heavy, when I can feel the quality of the product. As you can see, this is, as you already probably know, it has this kind of applicator. And now I will swatch it here for you. You don't need much. You really don't need much of this. And it's beautiful. It has, so here, it has some kind of texture which is very smooth, it's silky. It is so silky and natural, of course. That's her mantra of makeup, natural looking. Absolutely beautiful product. And I love about that seamless line that it is hybrid between skincare and makeup. You have makeup on your face, but it also nourishes, feeds, cares about your skin. Another seamless product from her seamless collection is, of course, foundation. This is the foundation, if you ask me. Absolutely stunning. This is the most beautiful bottle I have ever seen in my life, and probably you too. When I saw this, I thought, this is work of art. This is not foundation. This is work of art, and you can feel that it is heavy. It is like a pebble when you hold it in your hand, like a little sculpture on your makeup table. It's such a pleasure to look at it. Also, I was speechless. Firstly I was confused because I didn't know how I'm able to put it on my table, but it looks like this when you put it. It has something here, so you put it and it looks like a little spaceship, little rocket maybe. It's stunning. Also, I believe it is inspired by Brancusi. This sculpture I posted on Instagram. I think it is called Sleeping Muse. Absolutely stunning sculpture. On that sculpture you can fully understand contouring and highlighting. Never mind. This is the foundation. She said it is not matte, it is not a glowy finish, it is something in between. Very natural finish, and I agree with her. It is not that flat matte where you seem like dead, depth, and it is not too glowy, where you have to powder and where it's too glowy. It is something in between. It is absolutely beautiful. For me, I need 2 pumps. By the way, I am in the shade 9, and I bought it without samples, which is not usual for me. I never buy foundation without trying it before and going into the store and trying color on myself and everything. But she's such a smart businesswoman. She, on her page, you have like foundation matcher where you write I don't know, bourgeois healthy mix and that and shade that you use in that foundation, and then you can find her shade, her foundation shade for you, which is absolutely stunning. And that in that way I found my shade. It is absolutely great match for me. It has olive undertone, which is so hard to find in foundations. So hard, almost impossible. Chanel for example doesn't have that kind of undertone, so it is impossible for me to buy Chanel foundation unless that I have that one which doesn't have any coverage. So it is, I can use that one. But her undertones are great. You have some shade that you cannot find in other brands, and that's she said that she wanted to create a shade that she couldn't find in other brands. So that's great. She's doing something, you know. I like when someone sees a problem and then solves it and said, okay, I will do it, I will do that. And that's it. Her foundation, whole concept of her her way of thinking, her way of approaching to makeup is breathtaking to me. And as I said, the most beautiful foundation, and it is glass of course as her highlighter. It is glass. It's just beautiful. I'm amazed. When I received it and when I opened it, I was speechless, and that doesn't happen often. I was speechless, and I was just observing it. I was looking at it, thinking, oh my god, this woman is artist. She's an artist, truly. And the last thing that I bought that I wanted is her luxuriously lucent lip color. It's so hard for me to pronounce that, god. And it is called Kitten Mischief. I love this color. She said that this one is her favorite because it's really that kind of everyday lips, and I have it right now. I applied it, and I'm, you know, if you watch my channel regularly, you know that I have maybe 2 nude colored lipsticks in my collection. I'm a red lipstick lover. If I don't wear red lips, then I wear just lip balm, and then I'm done. I don't like to be bothered with lipstick unless it is red. Red is absolutely my favorite shade. And I ordered this one because I wanted this. It is this color. Absolutely beautiful. It doesn't want to focus, of course, and I will swatch it here for you. Of course it will be different on your lips because this is not full coverage lipstick. So here you can see it is not too rosy, it is not like that too nude. It's really in between, and I think that this color will suit many skin tones because it is that color. And she said that she wanted to create this color for herself because she couldn't find it, and I like that way. I like that way of thinking. And I wanted to order Dance Card because it is inspired by 60s, and I'm for 60s. I'm a big fan of 60s and all that makeup and colors. So different in 60s for makeup, and I like to explore that, but it was out of stock. And I said, okay, maybe I will try something nudish for everyday because we wear masks. I cannot wear red lipsticks for almost 2 years. Let's order something which is more appropriate. Then I ordered Kitten Mischief, and I love the name. I love her names, her makeup names, her lipstick names. You can see that she thinks about color in terms of history, in terms of all that inspiration, and it is not just a name for the name, for the sake of naming. It tells you the story. It is like extension of everything, and you can see that I'm a huge fan of her work. And the other day I was thinking, my favorite brand for makeup, and I always, when someone asked me that question, I said I don't have one. I have many favorite brands. And the other day I was thinking to myself, yes, it is Lisa. It is Lisa Eldridge. And I realized that many of us don't see her as a brand of makeup. We see her as a makeup artist because she doesn't have that crazy marketing. She's very, she doesn't have that whole Instagram page for just her brand. She is just Lisa Eldridge, and maybe that's the reason why we don't perceive her as a brand. But she has beautiful brand with absolutely stunning products, one of the best, if you ask me, on the market. Everything that I've tried from her is more than good. It's more than good. And this is all. I didn't order since November last year anything from her, and I wanted to try foundation, highlighter. Now I'm waiting for concealers. I want to see concealer really badly from this Seamless collection. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Lisa, if you watch this. I doubt that, but thank you for creating these beautiful products. And write me down in the comments if you purchased anything, please. I would like to see what you purchased. And see you in the next one. Like, dislike, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want, and see you in the next one. Bye.